Hi guys, it's Micaela Reyes here again. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe, hit the like, comment down below, say hi to me wherever you're from. And yeah, I'm so happy to be back again to create another video for you guys. And for today, I'm going to be doing my morning skincare routine. So today I'm dressed up with my furry robe, my very comfortable furry robe. And I'm gonna be using the usual products that I use for my morning routines. So yeah, this is really what I use every day. Like actually this morning I just did the blackhead clearing. So this is what I use usually to cleanse my face. So I use St. Ives blackhead clearing. It helps clear blackheads and unclog pores. For me, I don't really have any problem with, you know, pores or anything like that. But I still like to cleanse my face. So this is what I usually use. So I already used it. I'm not gonna show you guys that part. And so first I'm gonna show you guys the products that I use like usually every single day, like lately. Because sometimes I change it up with different products, but so yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I usually use. And for today, you know, this is my natural look. I don't have any makeup on or anything like that. And my hair is also natural. So my hair is naturally wavy. Okay, so flip the hair, flip the hair. Okay, I'm kidding. Okay, so this is what we're gonna be using. And just for, you know, aromatic scent, I'm gonna be spraying a little bit of Paris Hilton High Res because I'm a high res. And yeah, so I'm gonna put it over there. I kind of tasted a little bit of it, but oh well. So these are the products that I usually use. It's four products that I use lately. And you know, sometimes I like to change it up, my products, if I see something, or I like to try different products sometimes to see how it will react to my skin. I do have a sensitive skin. But yeah, so this is the first thing that I usually use like for my morning routine. So St. Ives Blackhead Clearing Cleansing. Yeah, it's a cleansing type of, you know, facial, I don't know what you call it, cream, or it's like a beaded type of texture to it. So it's like color green. I'm gonna open it up. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's green inside. So I already did it. I already cleansed my face this morning, so I don't want to overdo it again. So I'm gonna put this aside. I'll put it over here. And then after I do that, sorry, I don't have a clip right now because I'll have to, anyways, for my clip I'd have to find it, so it's okay, we're already filming. So yeah, the second thing that I use, so after I do my cleansing for the face, I go ahead and use Sukin. It's an Australian natural product. Sorry, that's my phone. Hi, yes, my boo. Yeah, so it's an Australian product. It says the company name or brand is Sukin, and it's purely ageless. It's reviving eye cream. So this, the purpose of this eye cream is for dark circles or anything like that, because for me, you know, I'm a hardworking woman, so I get tired sometimes, and I noticed a difference actually. But today I actually look tired because I didn't get a good sleep last night. But yeah, so I'm gonna apply it. So what I usually do, so I squeeze like a tiny bit. Well, that's what I did. And then I learned from, you know, this famous Filipina dermatologist, is if you're using eye cream, you should actually just tap it. So, but before I go like that, you can do that too if you want, but so this is what I do. You can apply it twice a day. That's what they say. I mean, at least in the description of the bottle. And yeah, I apply it to my eyes. For now, I like to lift my eye because actually If I'm really getting ready, I would use my rose quartz roller, but for today I'm giving you guys more of a real, you know, everyday kind of thing. So I don't want to make it all fancy all of a sudden, but you know, if I was really getting ready to go out, I would do that. But yeah, so usually I just use one, but I'm just really emphasizing and showing you guys. And to be honest, I look really tired right now, so you know, we wanted to heal. It really helps. Only today I look tired, but the last couple of days I really I start to look really rested because of this. So I recommend it, this product. It really works. Like, I recommend it. It's not something that I'm just saying. So I recommend this product. Sukin. You can find it at Walmart. I don't know where else, but it's Sukin. I'll put the information in the description below. So yeah. So after I do my eye cream, I go ahead. So I bought this at least 2 to 3 weeks ago, guys, and I love it. When I still taste the Paris Hilton perfume. Oh my gosh. Anyways, so I bought this serum 2 to 3 weeks ago, also at Walmart, and it's called Suway. I actually featured this in my upcoming video, which is a shopping haul. I haven't released it yet. But yeah, it's a phyto, I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, phyto collagen, because collagen is good for the skin. So it's an anti-aging serum, and I've been using it every single day, and I noticed an improvement with like my face. Like, it's just more softer. I just look tired today, but you know. So you squeeze some, you just press the top, you squeeze it, and then you can put it in the palm of your hand, or you can like drop it on your face. I'll show you guys. And then, you know, you just put the serum, and when you're applying, you should lift your face up. You know, I mean, people apply differently. Usually this is what I do. So I squeeze it, and then I put it here, right? And then I mix it with my hand. Of course, make sure your hands are clean. And then I just, you know, lift it. And also your neck. Your neck is important, and you should always lift your neck going up. So everything going up. So this is how I like waken. Is that the right term? This is how I waken up my face. If I'm wrong, it's okay. Yeah, so I can hear my stomach because I'm hungry. Yeah, so that's how I do it. Put a little bit more. Also, oh, I forgot to. Well, that's how I awaken my face. So this is like the routine, you know. Even if I'm not wearing makeup for the day, like I freshly showered, you put it all: cleansing, eye cream, collagen serum, and then the last part is my collagen moisturizing cream. And you know, over the years, actually I'm 28 years old right now, and a lot of people actually, when I posted my pictures, and look the same as when I was in high school. And honestly, I look at myself, I still do. The only thing that changed is a little bit of my baby fats on my face, because before, when I was in high school, I don't know if I can put a picture here, I was like, my cheekbones were like higher. I do notice now that I'm, you know, a little bit aging or maturing up. I'm still young, guys. I'm only 28 years old, so yeah. Okay, don't worry. You're gonna eat. Okay, I hear you. I hear my stomach. It's saying, please, I want to eat now. Anyways, actually, guys, my mom owned a facial spa salon when I was younger, and back when she was alive. So I learned a lot of beauty secrets from my mom. She was very into facial. She used to do my facials. So I grew up since high school always into my facials. But yeah, anyways, let's go back into my morning routine. So after the serum, I've already applied the serum. So just a recap, I've applied my cleansing, my clearing green tea scrub, my reviving eye cream to awaken the eye, and you can use this overnight. Usually the best is before you go to sleep, and then in the morning too, because you can apply it twice a day. And then the Phyto Collagen serum, you know, to hydrate the face, okay? And then we're gonna go for the last part, which is my favorite. It's St. Ives Renewing Collagen and Elastin Moisturizer. So guys, this is the last part, St. Ives Renewing Collagen and Elastin Moisturizer. And I'll give a little bit of description. This facial moisturizer containing naturally sourced safflower seed oil, I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it, but yeah, blended with collagen and elastin proteins, is formulated to help renew dry skin for a beautiful, healthy glow. So I chose this because for my skin type, I'm more on the drier side, so I need a lot of moisturizer. So this is what I use. And also guys, I put everything in the fridge so they're all cold. So right when I use it and apply it to my skin, it's very cold and refreshing. So right now it's very cold. So this is the last part. I'm just gonna apply, so you can see. I usually put that amount, or I can do another one. And you know, I just apply it all over my face and also my neck. Actually, I already did this before the filming, but you know, I just want to show you guys. So this feels like only a little bit for me. I'm gonna put a little bit more because collagen is really beautiful for the skin. You can also take it in powder. Okay, so sorry, my hair is just... And I also use it for my hands to... So my hands are soft. As you can see, my hands are very... Honestly, it's not aging. I don't know if it's my mom's genetics or both of my parents, I don't know. So that's what I do. And everything, sometimes it's gonna go on your hair, but who cares? All for the beauty. So spread it out evenly. Everything, pull your skin up. You have to, you know. That's how you depuff your face, or if you have the facial rose quartz. You know, I got a little bit of pimple here that's going on because I'm on my, you know, womanhood vibe. But anyways, too much information. Yeah, it's okay guys, you know, we're women, and well, not just women, also men. We're not perfect. We're not always gonna be, you know, flawless, and it's okay if you're a young girl or a teenager or a grown woman and you're worried about, you know, your skin and all that. There's always ways to like fix it and, you know, improve it. There's so many resources now online. You can research what are the healthy ways to, you know, improve your skin or be more healthier. So right now I'm working on my health, and I'm actually gonna film and show you guys another segment of what I usually eat when I'm into my healthy mode. And so that will be next. But yeah, I already finished doing my facial collagen. So that's it. That's my morning routine, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Guys, thank you so much for watching my morning skincare routine. So that's all I do every morning, and that's usually my go-to skincare routine. Even when before I sleep, that's what I do too. But I did buy another facial, so I'm gonna show you guys more beauty, you know, routines that I do, or new products that I'm trying out and stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you have any new you know, requests for a video, let me know. Comment down below and I will work on it. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'm gonna do my breakfast film now. I haven't eaten, but I'm gonna go for that. So make sure to watch all my new videos, and to be updated, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, comment down below, and make sure to subscribe, share, and you know, stay tuned because there's a lot more coming up with my channel. I hope you guys have a blessed week, and stay positive, stay healthy, and stay happy, and take care. Much love, Micaela Reyes.